Hi, I'm Keith Sorm with the Keith Sorm team at Keller Williams. This is the Real Estate Market Report for La Cañada and Flint Ridge, California for January 2009. We use a market index to track and compare market activity. Above 1.2 is a seller's market, between 1.2 and 0.8 is neutral, below 0.8 is a buyer's market. The market index for La Cañada, Flint Ridge, increased to 0.20, up from 0.17 last month. Last year it was 0.19. Sort of like 2 steps forward and 1 step back. We have new listings, 25 new listings, up from only 7 last month and compared to 14 last year. We had 7 listings open escrow compared to 4 last month. Last year we had 7. Pending ratio dropped to 0.28 from 0.57 last month, and a year ago it was 1.5. A lot fewer sales. Listing inventory, 84 homes are on the market at the end of the month compared to 59 last month and 80 last year. Very, very similar. Sold listings, 10 homes closed escrow compared to 6 last month, 6 last year. So what we're seeing in many respects actually in the markets I monitor is that we went forward, and because of that shift in the economy, we've come back a little bit better than last year in most cases. The average sale price of 1.475, up from 984,000 last month, down 19.7% from last year. One of the challenges with a community like La Cañada is the very small number of homes that sell can skew the values. So sometimes using the average price per square foot gives you a little bit better idea of true market value. It was $504 a square foot, down from last month's $509, but 12.1% down from last year. Let me just show you what that looks like on a graph. If you'd like a copy of this, I can certainly send it to you. This is the last 6 months. Pretty even. The average sale price, we're seeing a lot of volatility, but in terms of sale price, average per square foot, about the same. So if you're thinking of buying a home, I would say that the overall market values in La Cañada, probably due to the schools and other factors, are pretty stable. However, your cost of acquisition is part purchase price, part the interest you pay for the financing. It's gone up over half a point since the middle of January. This stimulus package has to be paid for somehow, and it's going to affect the credit markets. So if you've got questions, and you very well may, please call me. My name is Keith Sorm. You can reach me at 1-888-284-2056 or visit me online at lacrosenavalleyhomes.com. Thanks for watching.